So Chrisean attended the BET Awards, and I must say, she looked it good. So I guess she found somebody to glue that wig back down on her head. And I know she glad she went, because, child, they had a good time. Girl, they was acting like they was at the EBT Awards. Now, I'm going to warn you before I show you this next clip. Now, if you got a lick of sense, you going to find this a little disturbing. She a damn fool, ain't she? Y'all go ahead on and defend her. Watch him down in the comments.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. I got on top of cars with all my pregnancies.
Girl, I think we had a small earthquake from all the grandmamas rolling over in their graves with her hopping her tail up on top of a vehicle? Pregnant? What be going through this baby's mind? Now, at this point, she gonna call CPS on herself.
Make a psycho, make a traffic psycho.